What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be giving you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to get that perfect fit for your pair of pants. In other words, we're going to be bringing them to a tailor.
Everybody has a different body frame, and you're going to run into a situation where you're in the store and you find that perfect wash, but the fit's not right. And bring it to the tailor, they're going to alter it to your exact measurements to give you that perfect fit.
Exactly. So today we got two pairs of pants, and this is what we're going to be doing. For myself, I got a pair of cargos, and for the most part, cargos do not come with that taper look. They come a little bit more baggier, so I'm going to try to get them tapered in the right areas. I'm thinking a little bit in the thigh and then a little bit in the ankle area, just to get it more of like that fitted look.
So with these jeans here, they are a little bit too long, so what I'm gonna do is try to chop it off and hem it to see if I can get the right stacks and the right look.
So you're gonna get a hem, I'm gonna get a taper. Let's head on over to the tailor. You ready, Tan?
Let's go.
All right, guys, we got both pairs of pants right here. And one important thing you guys wanna definitely keep in mind, be prepared to spend a little bit of time at your tailor.
I mean, it's gonna be more like a hands-on experience. You're gonna try them on, they're gonna put the pins, they're gonna do the measurement. So you gotta definitely stay if you wanna get that perfect fit.
So let's go in there, try on these pair of pants, and then we're gonna get started.
As you guys can see from the look of my jeans, is way too long. There's way too many stacks. Richie, I can see yours are way too baggy for your liking.
This is where we're gonna talk to the tailor. She's gonna evaluate exactly what we're working with. Let's go talk to her. Mimi right here, the owner of Bellevue Alterations.
So now, when you walk in a tailor, you want to tell them how you like your jeans.
So you guys know how I feel about my stacks. At the bottom right now is a little bit too bunched up and it always makes it look kind of short.
Yeah, Tan's pretty particular about how many stacks he likes at the bottom of his jeans right here.
So you have to communicate with your tailor. She's gonna do her thing and maybe give you an example of how it might look on your body.
He likes a lot of bunchy here. I don't just go ahead and mark things without your okaying it.
As you can see, Mimi's kind of folding it inside and giving me the mimic look as if it's already hemmed.
I'm gonna say, hey, do you like this? Are you happy with it? Or you want it a little bit more removed? If you feel like you want this to be a little bit slimmer, you have to tell me. Then I will pin it for you. If you look in the mirror, you will see, you know what, that actually look cool. If I don't like it, hey, you know what, Mimi, leave it the way it is. Then it will come out just the way you like it.
I think this is really important because a lot of people, they might not go to a tailor because they think they gotta commit to cutting it a certain length and whatnot, but this way you guys could actually visualize what it looks like prior to even doing the changes. All right, guys, so right now we are going to be working on my pair of pants, which is kind of going to be like a taper, making them a little bit more slimmer. Would you say this is pretty complex?
Not too much. I can see that you probably want it a little bit more fitted. We can cinch it indefinitely. By taking this in, this will make it look much more fitted. And you still have that same look that you want. But do talk to the tailor and let them know, hey, I like things this certain ways.
You've brought up a really good point. Talk to the tailor. Communication is key. How important would you say that is, Mimi?
Very important. Oftentimes you pick up stuff and you're like, oh my gosh, she hemmed it too short. That is all your fault because you did not communicate with your tailor, guys.
Once it's cut, it's gone forever.
It's gone.
All right, guys, so before we get out of here, can we just talk to you really briefly about who the audience should really look out for when they are determining who to go to?
First of all, I don't recommend you guys going to the dry cleaning.
Oh, you're saying when it says dry cleaning and alterations. Okay.
Because there's not really a tailor that is sitting back there working on your garment. And when you get there, just see how much they know about the trends, the style.
So you're saying even a tailor that knows like trend styles and what's going on, different brands and whatnot, helps a lot, right? Do you know?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Mimi knows, okay?
Just checking. Can we talk a little bit about pricing, Mimi? I know it really ranges when you're getting alterations done, right?
Yes. Like they say, you get what you pay for. If you're gonna bring in a pair of garment that is about $500, you want them to really take care of that, take their time, and do it properly. Because if they don't do it properly, they're just gonna throw one seam in the back and that's it. Your pants is gone.
Also, one important thing to keep in mind is, say you have like a pair of $20 jeans and you're spending $50 to get the right alterations done. I know that might sound a little crazy to some people, but that $50 is gonna make the value of the jeans stretch super long, as if you were to pay for like a $200 pair of jeans. If you invest in your jeans, that could be your favorite pair right there.
There's been times when I brought my pants into Mimi, it was 3 sizes too big.
But
she was able to alter it, do it right, and it actually fits, you know, to my liking.
Turn around, show them the work, show them the work.
You know,
you saying you got a big butt, right?
Yeah. So
would you say 10 situations are a little harder to work with? We're gonna leave these with her for a little while and then we'll come pick them up and finish this off. All right, guys, so it's been a couple days since we went to the tailor and dropped off these pants. We just picked them up, and that's kind of what you guys can expect, a couple days for the job to get done. All right, Tay, so we got both pairs of pants right here, and just to reiterate, you got yours hemmed, and I got mine tapered. Let's go over yours first.
So I didn't want the excess stacks because they're way too long, but what I did was kept the original hem. For all you guys that don't know that, the original hem is basically pretty much the hem that came with the jean.
You got the original hem, which is gonna show off like the original distressing and whatnot, and then what would be like non-original?
Let's say you got a pair of slacks or a pair of dress pants. Those don't have any type of distressing, any type of detail at the end. So it's okay to cut that off and just redo a new hem.
Yeah, so basically to visualize it for you guys, imagine you have a pair of pants and then you have the bottom cuff. Instead of just cutting off the end and then sewing it up, basically you're cutting off the middle part. That way you could keep the detail at the end, which you kind of want with these jeans right here.
Exactly.
For the most part, I would say original hem is a little bit more expensive. For myself, I always got original hem, even if it was just like a regular raw pair of denim, because even at that cuff and the stitching, even that manufacturer might do it a certain way, and I wanted to keep that look.
Sometimes they don't have the actual original color of that actual thread, so that part of their pants is gonna be definitely not the same.
So I always recommend original hem if you guys can pay that little extra fee. Definitely worth it in my opinion.
So what about you, Rich? You got yours tapered?
I got mine tapered in certain areas. She was like pinching it in the back area, a little bit in the calf, in the ankle. So I tried them on, they definitely fit way better. Not as baggy as they originally came in. I feel like, you know, just tapering these gave it a little bit more of a cleaner look. Earlier we brought this up, the 3 W's, okay? Things that you want to keep in mind when you are going to a tailor. So the first one is, what are you getting done? So this could be like a suit, it could be your pants, it could be a jacket. Obviously pants are the most common thing that get altered at a tailor. And then you want to ask yourself, to what extent? How much do you want it to be brought up? How much do you want it to be tapered in the ankle area? This is good to keep in mind before you even go to a tailor, because sometimes when you are there and you put on the hot seat and they are doing the things, you forget like how much you would even like yourself, you know what I mean? So go in there kind of having a idea of what you want prior to even talking to the tailor. It's really important. Trust me, this is something I learned throughout the years. It is cool to bring a reference photo to the tailor and show them what you're kind of looking for, and they can work off that. And the last one is who. Who is a big W when it comes to a tailor, because she was saying Nordstrom is not even the go-to move. Yeah, I feel like a Nordstrom is like, they just bang them out like all day long, round the clock, you know what I mean? But if you go to someone local, someone that you trust, they're gonna put more of that time, that more catering to what your needs are. Try something out first. It doesn't have to be your like favorite jeans, and that's gonna be like obviously a $15, $20 lesson, but at least that's a good way to see if they could accomplish what you're looking for. So overall, guys, I know there's a ton of different things you can get done at the tailor. We just scratched the surface.
There's been times when I had a huge gash or a rip, they were able to fix it to factory look, man.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We just wanted to show you guys the experience of going to a tailor, what to look out for, what to ask, some tips and advice. Let us know down in the comments below if you guys want more videos like this. We could even do maybe tailoring a jacket.
Maybe a suit for prom or something.
There you go. That's pretty much it. Make sure you guys check out Bellevue Alterations if you are in the greater Seattle area. And until next time, we out. Peace. All right, guys, thank you for checking out that video. Make sure you guys check out this video. Also check out this video. And that's pretty much it. And until next time, we out. Peace.